Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you one more time from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And guess what? It's about that time. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets are about to close. Look around me. The traders, the investors, they want to go home, and so do I. And we all want to have a drink. So lift up that glass, get ready to run out, because it's that time. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they continue to trade higher this Wednesday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange as investors continue to take in a ton of economic reports. And that's where we'll begin. We first take a look at the ISM non-manufacturing index for the month of May, coming in 55.7. That's the lowest level in nearly 1 year. Also, market PMI services for May showing a slight decline in April, coming in below expectations at a read of 56.2. Also, ADP private sector payrolls, that increased to a total of 201,000 in May. And the U.S. trade deficit, that narrowed in April as exports of services hit a record high read. And the U.S. trade gap, we're not done yet. The trade gap, that shrunk to a total of $40.9 billion in April. That's the largest decrease since early 2009. Meanwhile, also making waves this entire session was Europe, as European stocks closed higher as investors continue to await Greece debt talks. Now, Greece's Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras went on to say that he has a meeting with senior European officials today over in Brussels, Belgium, where he is expected to hear the terms of a plan drawn up by top policymakers in that region. At the same time, Athens continuing to warn it could miss a €300 million payment due to the International Monetary Fund later on this week, namely Friday. Now, you team that with a combination of the U.S. dollar reversing early gains to fall about 0.5%. Crude oil futures, they were last pairing losses. They're down 55 cents to $60.72 a troy ounce. And we also have gold futures for August delivery down a total of $4.60 to $11.89.90 a troy ounce. And you have yourself a session this afternoon where 3 stocks advanced for every 2 decliners right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this session, which also marks the more than halfway point of the trading week. And we conclude on the corporate front with Hewlett Packard, which set November 1st, 2015 as the date for its planned spin-off of its personal computer and printer business from its hardware and services operations. And with that stated, you want some more corporate reports? Check out the earlier ModernWallStreet.com Market Movers Report with our own Sarah Pizon. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney.